So one of the biggest things that anybody tends to look for when it comes to JavaScript frameworks is reactivity. And the world has settled on signals for the time being as the best way to do that. And this is something that normally you reach for a framework to do, something like React or Svelte. But honestly, I want to show you that it's not that hard to build yourself. So here we have an HTML page. I'm actually, um, this project is built in Astro, but that's neither here nor there. And we have 3 elements in our body tag. We have a counter, which currently has a 0 in it. We have double with a 0 in it. And then we have a button. So if we go and look at our page, here's what that looks like. Now, here we have this function to create the signal, which is going to create some closures for us. It's going to take in a value and save that to the state that all these closures can read. It also has a set of subscribers. It has a read function, a write function, a subscribe function, and an effect function. And it's going to return all these in an object. And if we go down, we call it like this, create signal with 0. And then here we have creating an effect. So the effect subscribes. Search is for an element using query selector. We give it the query, and it takes a prop name, and it will then set that value. So if we go here, we click plus, we can see the counter goes up. This double is also going up. This is actually from create computed, which is just a wrapper more or less around our existing create signal, where we can, create a computed value. So whatever our value of 5 is, our value of double, which is a computed value, is going to be twice that. Now, I didn't walk through all the details of the implementation because, honestly, you don't need to copy my implementation. My point is to show that it is really, really simple to create your own system. So if all you need is just some simple reactive state, you might not need a whole entire framework to do it when this code gives me simple reactivity in under 60 lines.